Okay, we're going on a quick test drive. This car sounds amazing and it shifts so smooth. It's very, very easy to drive this car. It really surprises me. Probably one of the easiest to drive manual classic cars I've ever been in. The brakes feel good. Like I said, shifts nice and smooth. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So starting with the front right wheel. If you look there kind of in the deeper side of the barrel, you're going to see some corrosion, a little rust. But looking at this chrome trim, that looks really nice. Center cap looks good. That emblem looks really nice. Got a tiny chip here. This paint is beautiful. That emblem looks good. Lower side looks amazing. Very, very clean. Checking out the A-pillar. I don't see any rock chips. Nothing's really standing out to me here on the top side. That all looks good. Okay, making our way down the door. We have a chip right there. Rest of that looks awesome. Here on the lower side, so far it looks really good. Quarter panel, nice and clean. Looks like a little rock chip there, maybe a few small ones on the underside. And then right here, there is a scratch. Let's see if I can't kind of focus on that. It does catch your nail. All of this looks good. This side is really clean. All right, checking out the engine bay. You got the yellow top Optima battery from 4 of 23. Just kind of getting close in here so you can see all the details. Here on the underhood liner, it looks like it's missing a couple clips. So it kind of flops around, missing one here as well, it looks like. Other than that, this looks really nice. Okay, checking out the front end. Now these stripes are painted on. It is over the clear though, so you still feel them. See some surface scratches here. A little bubble underneath that. Let's see if we can't show you right there. You can see those little imperfections. We have some imperfections right there in the paint. Otherwise, that looks good. This emblem's nice and clean. Checking out the edge here. Looks like the edge of that stripe kind of chipped off. A couple small scuffs. Now let's make our way up this hood. You can see a little imperfections here where they didn't get it perfect, but otherwise looks good. Emblem's nice and clean. There's really nothing else standing out to me on this side. Beautiful paint though. I don't see any flaws that really stand out. It looks really, really good. Let's get up close here. Got a couple flaws here. Overall, that looks really nice. There's a couple rock chips here. It's all very minor though. Very clean. Okay, checking out this side. You do have some damage right here. There's a ding of some sort, like a little crease, and it did scuff it. And it looks like it took a little bit of paint off. So you can see that. We have a gash right here, and that does catch your nail. The rest of that looks good. Overall, that wheel looks nice. We do have some flaws in the paint here. It looks like all underneath. Have these little speckles in that chrome. Going up the A-pillar, right here on the top, you do have cracks. Got a little scuff there. Otherwise, all of that looks good. It's nice and clean. That wheel looks good. Around the door handle here, you can see the flaws in the paint there. It looks like all underneath. The rest of that door looks good. And then here on this lower section from getting in and out, you can see those scratches. Checking out the back here, we'll start with the upper section. So far, all of that looks good. That spoiler looks really nice. I don't see any flaws there. The taillight looks good. Overall, very clean. Trying to reach under here so you can see. And then here in the trunk, you got your little liner. It does have some stains kind of throughout. And then here on the underside of the deck lid, paint looks beautiful. Very clean. All of that looks really good. All right, when we open and close this door, opens really nice. Closes perfect. And then checking out this door. Has a little grab, very minor. Okay, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. These windows, actually all four of them, roll up and down beautifully. Super smooth, really, really nice. That handle's on there, super secure. This looks good. Very clean. You can see the jams. Those look good. Really nice. Kick plate area looks good. You can see the carpet is kind of lifting in this corner. Floor mat looks nice though. Okay, now looking at these seats, you do have some separation on the stitching here. You have some deeper wrinkles. Got a hole right here, and that's kind of separating. And it looks like it's separating right here as well. Most of this upper section looks good. You can see the seam separated here. Checking out that steering wheel. Got some scratches on this side. Other than that, it looks really good. All the gauges are very dingy. It's hard to see. But they are still there. Radio looks good. Everything else looks really, really nice. Beautiful, beautiful interior. All right, looking at the front right door panel, the window rolls down super easy. That handle's solid. All of this looks really nice. Very, very clean. Here on the kick plate area, overall looks good. We got a little stain here. That floor mat looks nice. Couple scratches here. Little scuff right there. The rest of that looks good. Seatbelt looks nice. The bottom of this cushion looks good. Very clean. Got a dent right here. Everything else looks nice. Couple wrinkles on that top side. But otherwise, looks really good. Here on the headliner. Looks good. Check that out. That's super cool. Okay, checking out the back seats. These windows roll down really easy. Overall nice and clean. You go right here in the corner, very minor, but there is a little rip right there on the leather. Other than that, looks really nice back here. The back of the seat has a few scuffs.